It's 3 a.m. and we're setting out. When I say we, I mean me, because I'm the idiot who thought this was a good idea. And we have to be quiet because it's just me and the drunks right now. I'm not exactly feeling confident, wondering how I got myself into this. Yep. I'll see you on the Bombi. No, sorry, on the Salmo-Creston. Yeah, let's make sure I don't go the wrong way. Hi. So, it's 6 o'clock. I'm like halfway up the Salmo-Creston. I was going to take a movie earlier, but my hands are too frozen. They felt like these meat lumps on the ends of my arms over which I had vague control. That's been the theme of the first chapter here, is cold hands. My body feels pretty good, and there are a lot of deer, like deer metropolis up here. That's about it. I'll see you at the top. Coming over the Salmo-Creston. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to try to stay warm for the descent. My hands are thawed out. My feet are still completely frozen. But my core is warm. I feel good. It's really pretty. It's 7 o'clock and I'm about 80 kilometers in. Pace is a little low, but I think it's good that I take it easy at the start. There's still lots of snow up here. I'm on this highway out to Moyie from Creston. It's really nice to be warm. Coming off the Salmo-Creston, I was shivering violently, which wasn't that much fun. But this is a nice, mellow, wide road with a shoulder, beautiful valley. Never been here before, so it's cool. I'm feeling good. It is kilometer 138, and I'm making okay time. I'm on schedule, I'd say. I'll see you in Moyie, I guess. That's Moyie Lake. I'm here. Hi. I'm actually recording this video less because I want to keep a record and all that kind of stuff, and more because I think I need somebody to talk to. Spalding! Catch that reference? Yeah, I feel very far from home. I feel very far from home. I am very far from home. By the shortest route, I am 200 kilometers from home now. Such a weird thought. Yeah, I feel kind of lonely, a little desolate, I guess. I don't know. It's a weird feeling. It's like how I feel on a long meditation retreat. And very, very calm. Extremely calm. So, I'm turning around, and and I guess I'll see you again in Creston. unless I need somebody to talk to again. And I'm 205 kilometers in, 206 kilometers in. So my route back is slightly shorter, so I'm actually slightly past halfway, I guess. I guess my body feels okay. It's hard to tell. I had a tailwind coming up from Creston to Moyie, so it may be a bit of a tough ride. Maybe a bit of a tough ride back to Creston. We'll see. As you can probably hear, it's fairly busy up here. This highway. It's very pretty, but the road feels a little industrial or something. So I'll be happy to be back in Creston, because that's my favorite bit from Creston to the ferry. Anyways, yakety yak. Hey, yakety yak, I'm on my way back. Okay, bye. Ever since I left Creston, I've been looking for a spot to stop and have a nap. Found this lovely little spot just now. And now I don't really feel like having a nap. And it looks like I've actually got time to catch a 7 o'clock ferry now, so I'll probably just keep going. Felt pretty good. 230K, 328K in. See, I feel good, but there are these signs that I'm starting to wear thin. That's one of them right there. I also noticed that I drooled and didn't feel it necessary to wipe the drool off my face. That's probably 2 signs right there. I can't do math too. I'm trying to calculate like, oh, I've got 130K to my next stop, and I'm averaging 27, whatever, divide that by, I can't do it. But I feel all right. I still have an ego. Part of what I do this for is to kind of get broken and get past that. But obviously that's a scary experience too, so I have mixed feelings about it. But right now I still notice myself having a bit of an attitude when I'm climbing hills, thinking I'm a badass or something, so I'm still intact. And once I get to the ferry landing, I get a big long rest, of course. So I think the last bit will be easy enough. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to try to catch a 7 o'clock ferry. Here we go. I did it. I'm back. And I can't believe it. And I feel pretty altered statey. Kind of like when you have a flu. A little spacey, a little achy. And just a little ill, I guess. I don't know. Whew. I don't know what to say. I got cold again. I don't have anything to say. There's my bike. There's the bike that carried me. I didn't feel that bad, I guess. It's hard to imagine continuing. My shoulders are getting achy. I think the big issue, if I were to try to go even longer, would just be sleepiness. Like, I've been awake for a long time. Yeah. I'm gonna go sleep for 1,000 years now.